Okay, the table provided below shows paired data for the heights of a certain country's presidents and their main opponents in the election campaign. Construct a scatter plot. Does there appear to be a correlation? Okay, well, here are the ones you're choosing from, but let's click and see what the data is. Okay, here's your data. And you could go through and put this in L1, all the president's height, and then all the opponents in L2 in a calculator. But it would take quite some time. I can click right here and I can copy it to StatCrunch. This is one option. Okay. Now, we're here. We want to go to a graph, and we want to go down to where we see scatter plot. The X variable is going to be the president's height. The Y variable is going to be the opponent's height, just like you see out here. Now, you want points, you can do all kinds of other stuff, but all you really want is to see the scatter plot. So then come and click on compute, and you'll see your scatter plot. Let's see if we can move him so we can see him a little bit better. Okay, there he is. Nothing here looks exactly like him. But I don't see a linear anything. Let's pop this one up and see if it looks kind of like it. It looks the most like it. I kind of believe that looks a lot like it, don't you? Because we're just trying to see. Now, you might want to come and look at some exact points and so forth, but I believe this is going to be the closest. Let's see. See? And check that answer. Uh-oh, it didn't work. Well, then I don't see it being a line at all, so let's try this other one. It looks kind of like it too. So one of those two. You might want to verify a point, if you can, with the 169 and 91. Pull it up. 169 and 191. That would be that point right there. Okay, if we come over here to the other one that kind of looked like it. Okay, 169, 191. I don't see where it looks like it would be there. So I believe A has to be our answer. Okay, well, there's another way to do this other than StatCrunch. And let's look at it. If we click on the data, we click here and we can go to Excel. We can open the Excel. I want to make it a little smaller too so we can see what we're doing. Okay, we are looking for something to do with charts. See anything there? How about data? Do you see anything? Okay, in the Excel, to get what we're looking for, we need to hit the Insert tab, and then we can go to Recommended Charts, and this is the chart right here. It shows you the scatter plot, it shows it with columns, and both another way of showing columns and the relationship that's here. Excel's a very powerful tool. This is the one that you're looking at. It's this scatter plot right here. And you see it's really not a whole lot better looking than the other. You just have to look and see. If we bring this up, we should be able to see that it's pretty much. It's not exactly the same. This is cutting off at 165. So that's the reason it looks a little different right at the bottom, but they are the same. So A was the best answer. It says, does this appear to be a correlation between the president's heights and the opponent's height? Well, I don't see any correlation there. So I would think I would go to the answer that has no. There's only one. There does not appear to be correlation because there is no general pattern of data. So let's see if that's right. All right, I believe that's it.